Welcome back, everyone. In this demo, we're just going to go through really quick day in the life analysis. Typical day in the life analysis, you're just trying to identify any deviations from your standard schedule or given subject standard schedule. So how this may come into play as a typical use case would be if a business is looking at optimization, or someone from a personal health and well-being is looking at how they can optimize any deviations in their schedule to make their life better, give them more of a work-life balance, things like that. You would use something like this in that context. So let's just give it a quick look. What I have is a couple examples. I have just a typical day in the life of a real estate agent, a day in the life of a homemaker or housewife, and then I have a typical day in the life of a factory worker. Granted, I know these all have a lot of bearing on region and culture, but this is just kind of a basic outline or a basic snapshot of what that may entail. So let's run all three analysis and see what we get. All right, so the first one was the real estate associate, and it's showing the quick meeting between 4 and 5 was the outlier, meeting with old friend. Basically, it was flagged, I guess, because there were no details provided or no description. Then the second one was the housewife. She met a friend for coffee from 10 a.m. to 10:05. I guess the outlier, the thing that caught the system's attention, was she met a friend for only 5 minutes. There were no names or locations listed. And then the third one was the factory worker. The outlier identified activity was left work at 11:30 a.m. to 12. Left work early, no explanation given. This is just like a basic overview or analysis possibilities of what you could do with a system like this. Once again, I think that if you had a more comprehensive profile or data set to go over, it would continue to hone the analysis model, provide better overall analysis for those specific outlier events. So there you have it, behavioral analysis, outlier detection with FalconsAI 125.